Hey guys, it's mid-morning here and I do a little bit different from a lot of people. I don't eat just as soon as I get up. I mean, I've never been one to do that. But thought I'd just show you how we cook our breakfast. Now it's 31. It's dropped. Here it is, it's 9 o'clock this morning and it's dropped. And I just thought I'd show y'all how we fix breakfast right quick. So let me get the camera turned around here. Now I don't have homemade sausage. I wish I did, but don't have it. But this is called Swaggerty's. This is the hot kind. We love this here. And so I'll show you what we were using. So I'm gonna fry us up a little bit right here on the wood stove. Let me swing you around you can see it. Give it a second to start sizzling. Yeah, it's starting to sizzle a little bit. Guys, we love our wood heat here, and this is a good way if, power goes out. In the wintertime, we can still cook. I don't have an oven or anything like that, but I'm still able to, I've boiled beans, we've made chicken and dumplings on here. The percolator, I can even perk coffee if I wanted to. And anything you can cook in a pot, you can cook it right here. So anyway, I just thought I'd show you all this. I fixing my mid-morning breakfast, and thought I'd fry up some of this sausage. I hadn't fixed any in a while, so my son, he's fixing to go to his class here in a few minutes, but he said he wanted one too, so we just fry us up some. So anyway, guys, just thought I'd show you this. And this sucker is starting to get hot too. And controlling your heat on this is a lot similar to if you were on a stove. All I got to do is cut this air off and it'll cool right back down. So if it begins to get too hot, to where the grease starts smoking, I can cut it back down. And if I wanted to, I could cook toast, put it over here on the other side and brown toast in a frying pan. I have done that before. But I'll probably just cheat today and use the toaster. But this is starting to sizzle. So I'm gonna pause this and we'll come back when I get ready to flip this over, so that way you can see that. Alright. It ain't been but maybe a minute. You can see there. And I've already had to open the screen door, or open the door and raise the screen. It's getting hot in here. You can see that smoke where it's splattered. This is the lovely thing about cooking on here versus the electric stove. I don't have to clean this up. It takes care of itself. Guys, we're gonna have breakfast to eat here in just a few minutes. So anyway, just thought I'd share this little quick video with you, and I hope your day's going great. And get you some Swaggerty sausage. I think you'll like it. So guys, y'all have a great day, and we'll talk to you the next time. Thank you, Little NC Farmer.